If you're interested in becoming a virtual assistant, here are 9 actionable steps in less than 3 minutes to help you become successful in this field. Virtual assistants are remote workers who provide administrative, creative, and technical assistance to clients. They have the flexibility to work from anywhere and earn a steady income. Step 1. Determine your skills. The first step to becoming a successful virtual assistant is to identify your skills and strengths that you can offer to clients. These skills can be anything from administrative work to graphic design. Step 2. Choose your niche. Decide on the type of virtual assistants you want to offer, such as social media management, email marketing, or bookkeeping. Specializing in a niche will help you stand out in the market and attract clients. Step 3. Set up your website. Create a website or social media profile to showcase your skills, experience, and services. This will help potential clients find you and learn more about your services. Step 4. Determine your pricing. Decide how much you want to charge for your services. You can charge hourly or flat rates depending on the project. Step 5. Build your portfolio. Create a portfolio of your previous work to show your clients the quality of your work. This will help you win more clients and establish your credibility. Step 6. Market your services. Use social media platforms and job boards to promote your services and attract potential clients. You can also join virtual assistant communities to network with other virtual assistants and get referrals. Step 7. Establish a contract. Set up a contract or agreement with your clients that outlines the scope of your work, pricing, and delivery schedule. This will help you avoid misunderstandings and ensure that both parties are on the same page. Step 8. Deliver high-quality work. Provide excellent virtual assistance to your clients by delivering high-quality work on time and within the agreed-upon budget. This will help you establish a good reputation and win repeat clients. Step 9. Build relationships. Build long-term relationships with your clients by communicating effectively, being responsive to their needs, and providing exceptional customer service. This will help you retain clients and get referrals. By following these 9 actionable steps, you can become a successful virtual assistant and earn a steady income while working remotely. Some helpful links are listed in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.